It is always recommended to wash hands with soap as the best cleaning method, but the question remains, what would you do if you did not have soap and water? The answer is hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizers that are able to protect you from bacteria are available in the form of commercial products, but they may be expensive, and because they have been unavailable recently in stores due to the increased demand for them due to the coronavirus, COVID-19, pandemic, the need to learn how to make them at home appears, which we review together in the following sections are from the article. 1. It's a very simple process, aside from the ability to adjust its ingredients to your personal preferences, which is a plus for homemade hand sanitizers. Choose from the following either an alcohol-based hand sanitizer or a witch hazel hand sanitizer, witch hazel, and tea tree oil alcoholic hand sanitizer. Gather the necessary ingredients and tools. Homemade disinfectant.